Hi, my name is Peter Williams. I'm a faculty member here in the physics department at Acadia University. Today I'm in our electronics lab using our 3D printer to build a part for our rooftop observatory. The Acadia Physics Department is a small department and we are highly committed to student success and offering the highest quality undergraduate education that we can. We have faculty members in our department who have been recognized both nationally and internationally for their excellence in teaching. Because we're small, our prime focus is on providing you with a high-quality education that's going to prepare you for an interesting future career. I'd encourage you to visit our website where, amongst other things that you can learn about our department, you can see what kinds of interesting careers some of our physics graduates have gone on to. And I think you'll be quite surprised at the diversity of careers. We have doctors, lawyers, business people, finance people, entrepreneurs, teachers. We even have a professional organist in the bunch. So they're a pretty interesting, eclectic, and diverse group of people. In addition to offering you a high-quality undergraduate learning experience, we're able to integrate research experiences into that as well. I've mentioned our rooftop observatory where we do some work on variable stars. In addition, we have some microscopy facilities in the basement where people study materials with a particular emphasis on charge density waves. We have faculty who are interested in applied optics and have done some interesting projects, including one very fascinating one where they used optical techniques for retrieving faded documents in archives. And if you're interested in theoretical physics, we are Acadia, Nova Scotia's home to theoretical particle physics. And once again, because we are a small department, there's a tremendous number of opportunities for you to get involved in those research projects. In addition to being a great little physics department at a great university, we are nestled in the beautiful small town of Wolfville, Nova Scotia in the Annapolis Valley. It's a wonderful, safe environment. We're close to downtown. There's lots of restaurants, amenities, shops. We're not that far from Halifax if you need to get into the city. I would strongly encourage you to explore our website. As I mentioned earlier, I regret that we're unable to meet with you personally today, and I hope that we're going to be able to do that sometime in the very near future. In the meanwhile, all the best of luck with making your decision about where to attend university. It's a very important one. Make sure that you pick the one that's right for you, and I look forward to seeing you on campus someday.